Hello everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the Phoenix models, British Airways Boeing 787-9, 1/4 scale. Been chasing a 787-9 from BA for a very long time. I missed the NG version release when that came out, probably a couple of years ago now. And no one's really made one since. Gemini Jets hasn't made one in a very long time. NG hasn't re-released one. So when Phoenix models finally released one, I think it was towards the end of last year. I think it was like either a October, November, December release. I had to snap it up because I've been looking for one of these for a very, very long time. So here we have it. This is Golf Zulu Bravo Kilo Lima. Here's the box. Interesting box art, but not bad. Picture of the aircraft. Classic Phoenix box. Nothing special. Let's go ahead and take a look at the model. Now, I know the Phoenix models, the mold and everything, they're okay. It's better than nothing, and overall, I've been looking for a 787-9 from BA for a very long time, so the fact that I got a new one, new release one, that Phoenix finally decided to re-release one, I was very happy to finally get this, and it shouldn't be too bad of a model. So some good packaging here. Very careful getting it out the box. There we have it. It looks really good, actually. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. There we go. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. So here we have the aircraft. Overall looks pretty good. The mold doesn't look too bad. I know it's not one, Phoenix's mold isn't one of the best, but it's also not one of the worst. So I think overall, this, just looking at it, looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and take a look at the details. So we zoom in here. There's cockpit windows. Looks pretty good. Not a whole lot going on around here. Ignore that, guys. Sorry about that. We've got the gear, which actually looks pretty good. You got the L1 door and the British Airways logo with the British Airways titles, looking very nice. L2 door there, looking pretty good. Antennas, dome, and everything looking good there. Moving along. Got a little bit of a shiny sort of leading edge there, which is interesting, but doesn't look too bad. GE engines looking very nice right there. Yeah, these are the GE ones. Nope, these are the Rolls-Royce ones. My bad. Rolls-Royce Trent 1000s, that's right. Yeah, I believe that's what they are. But they look pretty good. Not too bad. They're mounted well and everything is good. There are no rocket ship engines. The wing itself looks pretty good. There's no crazy wing flex. And good detail on it. Moving along to the back, there's L3 door right there, looking pretty good. Then to the back, you got a couple more antennas right there by the tail. Registration, and the bulk bin door, L4 door there. The British Airways tail with Bravo Kilo Lima right there on the top, looking very nice. Horizontal stabilizer in the tail section, all looks pretty good with the APU port. Or APU hole, should I say. It's pretty good. And on this side, you've got the cargo door. Got an antenna on the bottom there, looking good. Registration and everything as well on this side. Same thing with the wings, looking pretty good. The engine's looking very nice. Good detail there. Moving along, all looks pretty good. Oh, I forgot, yeah, you can see that, they get the crown right there. That was on the other side, it was just hard to see. But yep, forward cargo door, and some good details all on this side here now, as you can see. So not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let's take a look at the head-on. Looks pretty good. You can see there's no crazy wing flex, which is nice. Let's take a look at the top down. Nothing crazy. Spinning it over though. Got the nice blue bottom. You have the registration on this wing right there. You got one antenna on the bottom right back there, and that's about it. So overall, not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, as I said, I missed the NG version when that came out years ago, but getting this Phoenix version isn't actually that bad. It's a pretty good model, and the mold and everything looks actually pretty good. So I'm quite happy with this. So now that basically, I think that basically completes the BA wide body fleet for me. I believe I've got everything now. I've got the 787-8. Oh, I don't think I have the -10. That's one I don't think I have yet. But I've got the -8. Finally, the -9 now. The A350, 1000, I believe I've got that. I've got the A380, 777-300, and the 200. So slowly but surely getting there. I guess it's just a 10, but I don't think that doesn't fly to LA. I don't know if that has. It's one of those things. I'm only gonna really get it if I've seen it at LA in the past, or it is actively flying, or they potentially throw it on a schedule for the future. That would be a case. It also would be nice to just have, but so be it. Anyways, guys, this is a beautiful model. I'm happy to have this. If you can find it, pick it up. It's a great model, and you won't be disappointed as long as it doesn't show up broken. But in my case, everything is perfect. So yeah, guys, if you did enjoy this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. With that, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.